48. Hi. Hi. Hello. My name is Carly. And I live in the state of Texas, which is a U.S. state. The state nickname of Texas is the Lone Star State. The state bird is the mockingbird, and the state flower is the blue bonnet. The state capital of Texas is Austin. And a famous landmark in Texas that I know, is the Alamo, which is located, which I'm guessing is located in San Antonio, Texas. 48, you're so cute. If you guys don't know who this is 48, the number block. Pretty sure you guys have heard about 18, the potty mouth number block, and 36, the worse than potty mouth number block. From during the early days. During the early days, I've had 18 and 36. Melissa from So Much Fun with Melissa has told me that 18 and 36 really make a pair of potty mouths. The reason is because the answer to 18 times 2 is 36. And he pretty much, and that's why Melissa, and hey 48, I wonder what Chrissy Purviance is gonna say to you if she sees you, if she was to see you on YouTube, and if she has a YouTube account. Wonder if she's gonna see you. Wonder if she might. Melissa from So Much Fun with Melissa said she was gonna be keeping an eye on Chrissy Purviance in Wrangell, Alaska. She was thinking about stuffing you in a sofa, even though you really don't, because when she met, because I think when she met 50, she thought she lived in a sofa. She thought 50. She thought your big sister 50. She thought your big sister 50. She thought your big sister 50 was a numberjack. And that's why she was thinking that your big sister 50 lives in a sofa when she really does not. When she really doesn't. And 48 thinks it's hilarious. And you think it's hilarious, huh, 48? Oh, she does. We're going to show you who we had so far in the second half of 2024. So we got 48. I'm going to show you who else we have. I bet you guys can tell. Who this is. I bet you guys can, to our UK fans, to our UK fans, I bet you guys might know who this is. To all of our British Broadcasting Company to all of our BBC and CBeebies fans, I bet you guys might know who this CBeebies character is. I bet you guys might know who this is. Can tell? You can tell. Bet you guys can tell this is not a number block. Some people in the East Texas area that I met at the quilt shop, that I saw at the quilt shop, they were thinking that this species upnumber character looked like a Pokemon when it really, because that's what a customer at the quilt shop, at my local quilt shop in Tyler, really thought that. As you can see, you can tell he's not a Pokemon or a number block, because Pokemon do not have numbers on their bellies. Do not have numbers on their bellies. Do not have numbers on their tummies. But this species does. You can tell, his little tail. Let me show you. Look at this cute little tail. Look at the little tail in the back. Look at the little tail in the back. Look at the little tail in the back. And he's got a bandana. And I bet you can tell, I bet I think one of my, a person that's actually a fan of the show that he's from, really, says that he is her, that he is her favorite, that he is her favorite character, that this is her favorite character from the show. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? If you can tell what species this really is, it's a Numbat from a cartoon. And let me show you guys a 360 of them. You guys a 360 of them. I'll show you. Hang on. Whoa, actually, sorry, little guy. Actually, sorry. Okay. And he's pretty cool. And this is the best part. He says bedtime phrases. I recorded a series of bedtime phrases, and I put it inside him. When you squeeze him, let me show you. Every time his belly is squeezed, let me show you.
It's time for bed.
And that makes my face light up. And he does talk. Isn't that cute? Oh.
Let's dream of our next adventure.
Oh my gosh. Actually, oh my gosh. He makes a really great addition to my collection of non-number blocks. Oh, he'll sing. Oh my god, he's singing. Oh, isn't that cute?
You are my best friend.
Oh my gosh.
Time for bed, sleepyhead.
That is so cute. Oh, he blew me a kiss. Actually. He's snoring. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Oh, he's adorable.
Are you sleepy too?
Oh, that's adorable. These phrases are just making me want to cry. These phrases make me want to cry in happy tears.
I'm sleepy.
Actually, oh my gosh. He's just adorable. And I just love him. I just love him so much. If you guys don't know his name, I actually do know. I know he's a numbat. And he is a Numtum, because since he has a number on his tum, or tummy, he has a number on his tummy, actually. Isn't that just so cute? Aww. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Sounds like my cat. Sounds like my cat. Sounds like my cat. My cat yowling. My cat's yowling. My cat's yowling. We got Flinders. His name is Flinders, and he is a Numtum. He's super cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you who else I had in 20 stand-up Flinders. Okay, see who else I have. Okay. This one is the cutest. Some of my subscribers, some fans of mine think that this plush, that this Numtums plushie, that this Numtum baby is a little weird because she's been colored on, but I actually, so just the features, which I have done that on 48, as you can see. I've done like drew like the face on 48 and the lines. So pretty much I did the same thing, drew the features on for this little one, for this little girl. Actually, she's got like a little, gonna have to sew that up, gonna have to hand stitch that closed, and here too, and here too. There's places where I'm gonna have to hand stitch. And this little one, her name is, what's her name? I'm trying to think of her name. I know all the names of the Numtums characters. Show you. Her name is Dardar. Yes, this is a Dardar is her name, and how cute is she? Actually. And she actually was my very first girl Numtum since I had Nimbin, who was the one that smacked a cowboy at a fast food restaurant drive-thru. And if you guys missed out on that video, and if you guys missed out on that video, and if you missed out on that video and you missed out on that video and you want to go check it out, I will leave a link in the description if you want to go check out that video of Nimbin smacking a cowboy at a fast food restaurant drive-thru. And also, if you guys want to watch all my other previous videos of my Numtums at fast food restaurant drive-thrus, I will also put links to all my previous videos, to my Numtums at fast food restaurant drive-thrus. And we got Dardar. I call her Dardar Grace Willits. I usually call her Dar Grace. Oh, isn't she cute? Oh, she's adorable. Okay. Just ignore that bag in the background. That was from when somebody knocked at the door to the Willits household. Dar. These two. Okay. Okay. Show you who else I had. Okay. Got another giant one. I bet you guys can tell who this is. Number block 20. This actually, 48 was born in Bullard, Texas, and Flinders and Dar were born in Tyler. We're born in Tyler, Texas. We got this handsome boy. He's very colorful, not like the actual number block 20, who is light orange he's light orange or apricot, light orange with dark orange borders and a top hat. But some people think 20 looks inaccurate. Some people, because I actually have seen YouTube videos where there has been inaccuracy with My Little Pony products. And I was like, wow. It kind of shocked me. It shocked me a little bit. And 20, some people think 20 looks inaccurate, but the actual number block 20 does not look like this. But of course you guys know the actual number block 20, who has a cane, tap dancing shoes, a bow tie, and a top hat. But that's okay. I still love him. And that's 20. Right there. Okay. Show you who else I have. Right. Okay, let me grab this handsome boy here. Actually, I bet you guys remember him. From my most recent video. This actually was my very first number 15 since number block 15 was born. Of course, you guys know my female number 15. He's my man. He's my man. And of course, if you guys don't know who this is, have you guys heard of the fan-made reboot of the Numtums called the Numtums Animal Math Explorers? Not sure if you guys have heard of it, but I've heard about it on DeviantArt. Some DeviantArt artists have made like of what they think the Numtum characters would look like in the fan-made reboot. They had two mission team corps. There was mission team A and mission team B. So this one happens to be from mission team B. And this is the one that actually owns who owns a chicken farm. Yes, he does. And I'm pretty sure you guys remember him from, you remember this handsome boy, this little one actually, this male number 15 from the video about the birth of him and 20 and two other babies, actually, and two other Numtums. And this is I'm trying to think of his name. I actually do know all the names of the Numtums Animal Math Explorers character. Since I have a really great memory. I have a really great memory on all the names. And I read that Corey Doran, I don't know how to pronounce Corey Doran is this character's voice actor. And yeah. And this actually was and he's got the ears kind of like Flinders. And yeah, Flinders became a big brother. And this is actually his baby brother. This is actually Flinders' baby brother. And his name is, trying to think of the name. I know the name. Starts with a G. It is Gonzo. Yes, this is a Gonzo. He's actually the highest number I have of the Numtums yet, and there's the 15 tail stripes. Pretty cute. Gonna put him next to 20. His tail kind of gets in the way sometimes. Not only I had Gonzo and 20, this actually is my very first set of quadruplets. And we got this little one. We got this. This is Gonzo's brother, actually. And he's got 9 tail stripes. Got Hobart, actually. So the only Numtum I need left out of the original series. The only one left I do not have is Kuji. Kuji I do not have yet. Yep. Here's Hobart. Pretty cute. He's got brown eyes. But Gonzo has blue eyes, and Flinders has blue eyes, and Dardar has green eyes. And isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? Oh, is he adorable? Aw. Hey, Hobart. Oh, I love you, Hobart. Oh, he's so adorable. He actually was my very first number 9 that I ever had. He's like hogging up all the space, actually. And who else did we have? Okay. Also for the Numtums Animal Math Explorers, I also have this baby girl. This is the baby sister. This is her hair's flying everywhere. Yeah, it's like Nincon. Yeah. And this is Bendigo's baby sister. This is his baby sister, McKay Grace. So we got McKay. She actually was my very first number 12 since number block 12 has been born. Hey, McKay. Oh, hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Nice, sweetie. She's got green eyes. She's got green eyes just like Dardar. She's got green eyes got pretty green eyes just like Dardar. Super cute. Okay. Alright, the final one. This is the final one. And we're going to open up the mail that we got in as of recently. So we got this little one. This is the newest one. kind of like did like a zigzag stitch and he was about to lose his tail, actually. His tail, actually. His tail. Okay. Here's this little one. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? And his ears are sticking up. Kind of like a rabbit, actually. And there's his tail in the back. He actually has a shorter tail. He has a shorter tail than Hobart. Yes. He's a lot like Bendigo, but he's different colors. He's a lot like, isn't he cute? Okay, so this one's name, his name, this is Humpty Doo. This is Humpty Doo. And he's number 7. He's the 7th one. He's the 7th one in the Numtums. And yeah. And isn't he cute? And isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? And this is the best part. And this is the best part. And as you can see, you press here, and when you squeeze his belly, this is the best part, you press here, so I'm gonna press here and see what he says. Oh my gosh, I actually recorded the soundtrack. A track was a former soundtrack on the former Numtums number go round at CBeebies Land, which is located inside Alton Towers near the entrance. And you get here, and this actually is the phrase. He actually says his name and his Numtum number, which is just so cute. Yep. Every time I squeeze his belly, he says his name and his Numtum number. Or when I hug him. Hang on. He's just adorable. Oh, he's just adorable. The way normal Numtums fans play it, the target audience of Numtums, they sort of get something like this, and you're sort of to get something like this. I mean, really. Companies, this happens all the time. I mean, really. That's just the way normal small children, the way normal small children and children with autism play with it and play with this thing. And you're sort of to get something like this. Hang on. You're sort of get something like that. It's just doesn't anyone do company check these things? Like, if toy manufacturers if the BBC was to master a toy license for the Numtums. Do toy designers check these before they go out? This happens all the time. Even toy manufacturers have made mistakes. Make mistakes. And this is who we had all throughout the second half of 2024, and they're all crowded with me. And now we are going to open up some mail, and we got a we have a new country alert. So we're gonna show you so this is just in case if you want to send us a letter, if you want to send us a handwritten or typed letter or a postcard. We're gonna show you what address to send it to. If you want to send us we're going to show you our address for our mailing address. So we're going to show you for our United States fans, for our US fans, and our international fans. So here is for our United States fans. You guys see that address? This is our mailing information. If you want to send us, here's for our United States fans. And we're gonna open this letter first, but before we do, we already showed for our United States fans. And here is for our international fans. And that's for our international fans. So if any of you international fans of the Carly W channel in Mexico or Canada or UK or the Netherlands or Australia or Germany or any foreign country, this is for our international addresses. We're gonna set that off to the side and open up this letter that came from Jack Wilson Jr. in North Carolina. And this letter is sealed pretty tight. This letter is sealed pretty tight. Actually. Okay, we're trying to avoid Chick-fil-A. Because that's just what we do. So we're trying to avoid. I think I see something in there with woodland creatures. I see something. I wonder if we'll find a Whataburger. Wonder if we'll find that Whataburger in there. Or Dairy Queen. We'll find Dairy Queen. Or Whataburger. Or Sonic. Or Raising Cane's. Or Arby's. Okay. It's reaping off. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see. So pull it out, actually. Okay. Is there anything else? That's it, actually. Okay. There's a compartment in there. I don't know what that compartment is. Okay, our birthday wish for you. Let's see what this is. Oh! I bet I can tell. Oh, I think we found a 30, actually. I think we found a 30, actually. All right. Look what we found. Looks like it's not Chick-fil-A. Look at that. It's a store I like. It's a store I like. Not sure what numbers on here. I think I can see. I can definitely see. We found a 30. All right, we found a double-digit number. Looks like we had a 30 travel from North Carolina. Commonly, last year it was 10 less than 30, and this year is 10 more than 20. That's pretty cool. Okay. And I knew it. All right, we found a 30 in the mailbox. Okay, let me. All right, let's read this. Let's read the letter. We hope you have a birthday that's great right from the start. The kind of day that brings you a light and happy heart. Love, the Wilsons. And wow, there was a 30 in my mailbox. Actually. Okay. We didn't find a double digit. We didn't find a triple digit number, but we did find a double digit number. Looks like we did find a 30. That's pretty cool that we found a 30. 30s typically can be common. They can be common in Charlotte, North Carolina. All right. This is the grand finale, and we're gonna open up this letter that we have here. We gotta be very careful when opening this. Moment of truth. Not sure if these distributors have heard about the Numtums. I'm in the process of bringing the show Numtums to bring the show Numtums back. To bring back Numtums into full swing. Okay. Don't know if there's anything there. I'm a little scared. Okay. Oh. Okay. See if there's anything else in there. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. A little scared. Actually, this is like Halloween scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. I'm like, okay. I'm a little scared. Alright, I'm a little scared. Actually. Okay, I'm a little scared. Actually. I'm a little scared. A little intimidated. Okay. Wow, look at that. Dear Carly, thank you for your letter. Oh, look at the letter. Let's read it. Let's read the letter. Dear Carly, thank you for your letter and fantastic ideas for a new range of toys. As you can imagine, we received many contacts and inquiries about submitting new product ideas. While we appreciate hearing from our customers, we must advise that we do not accept unassociated submissions for new products. We depend on our employees, other organizations, and professional inventors with the whom we deal with on a regular basis for such ideas. That being said, I will certainly pass your details to the marketing and developing team for their considerations. It's a good way of getting products into the toy industry would be to read the Toy and Game Inventor's Handbook by Levi Levy and Wingardner. I don't know how to pronounce that. This book contains information how to proceed professionally in the toy industry. Thank you for taking our time. Thank you for taking your time to write to us. It is so nice to receive a letter opposed to an email. I hope the above fully answer your query. Yours faithfully, Tracy Thomas, Customer Service Advisor and E-commerce Assistant. All right, so, and yeah, they wanted to, actually, they wanted to, they really loved hearing they loved really hearing my idea. They really loved hearing my idea for a new product that they should create. And yeah, hopefully my wish comes true. Do you think my wish is gonna come true? That the Numtums might come back. Might make a comeback. Let us know in the comments below. Let us know in the comments. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Possibly gonna head to bed since it's getting late. And anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up if you love the Numtums. And don't forget to subscribe to the Carly W channel for more funny and cute videos. And make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss out on any videos like this one. And if you have any questions, place them in the comments and we will try our best to answer them. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.